Yo, what's good, YouTube? I know it seems like here I've got like no body and I'm like here. Okay, shut the fuck up, so say man. So what are we gonna play? We're gonna play here some of this to get some crowns. No, I wanna get like level 60, you know, like in the crown stuff. Yeah, it was like a weird sound. Today I just played Fortnite with some friends. Nice, guys. Yeah, this was actually so dumb to do this move. Let's go to the left lane with some here. Fledermäuse! Perfect. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, actually, so ass, man. Why is he doing this? Like, it's, good. And why is this like this, man? I got even a pancake. Oh, this gonna hurt. This gonna hurt. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Nice. Could have also do this here. I saw this move there. Please. Yeah, I swear the pancake stuff is always so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying, man. I swear, man, I'm gonna destroy this monitor. Man, why does it always destroy this, man? Nice, and it destroyed here my special stuff. So annoying. I hate this one! Why can't this one just touch himself, man, instead of, like, throwing some stuff in my asshole, man? Like the card's asshole, man. Oh, now also I have a cam, so I stop yapping like this. Does this work? I swear. The only game that made me frustrate are Clash Royale and Fortnite. Oh my god, he's such a bastard, man! Why the fuck would he do it? Why does he have this evolution there? What the fuck? It's such a weird evolution, man, no cap. Oh, nice damage though, nice damage. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go! Why? What does it hit him? But I mean, we're gonna get here a throw. Okay, no. One, big, 4, 5, 3. Look, he's so ass, man. He needs to play this. Ha ha ha, you're so ass. You know, just playing, you know, arrows, you know, to counter. So, I mean, it's, of course, no valuable, you know, like, it's not dumb. But it's so annoying, you know, it's like, you're so down bad, you're like, okay, actually, is he overspending? No, I think, like, arrows is 3. So, yeah, let's do this. Let's go with this. This is gonna be, like, 1 bullet, you know, so we just need 2 more bullets. And 1. Okay, very nice. And let's attack the right side. I don't know why these people are like... I always forget that like my cam is here and not there, even though I see me there. Man, so annoying. And I'm gonna get my pancake. Nah, it's so dumb. I mean, 1 good push and it's done, you know. Then it's good. Okay. And then we go here for right push, man. He's gonna go here with that boring, annoying ass guy there. Yeah, exactly this thing. Come on! And that should be a GG. Ah, ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Steve Arif, man. I don't even get like something out of it, you know. I'm just happy because like I won against them, and they can't win because he plays Mega Knight. That's exactly like why I was like so happy. Let's also here ask for some new troops. Let's go right into it. One more game. Everything is 3 games, as you know. And yeah, let's see. That's S. Actually, Top Guyana. Okay, let's see. I hate this, man. I'm always like so bad, against these players like that. Like that. Let's go with this, normalized push on the right lane. And then let's see what he's gonna place behind the line. If he goes with Mega Knight, I'm gonna hate him so much. Always these good ass players. But you can't counter him. It's just so annoying to counter Mega Knight, man. What is he even playing, man? What goofy stuff is he even playing? Oh, this would have been so perfect, man. He would have been going crash off. Okay, perfect. Yeah! Okay. Take your time, guys.
You're so dull.
Ooh, you're so dumb. Okay, let's go here with this. Come on. Please, Mega Knight, come! Yes! Mega Knight, I love you! Nice, didn't even get his next hit there. Oh my god. Rah! I like his sound effect, man, of the night. Okay, let's go with this. I think it's a bit of overspend, Let's go here. Please, Knight, get alive. Perfect. Oh, yes, always go with the Mega Knight, It's like the best suit. Oh, as if it wasn't like annoying as fuck already, man. Oh, an evolution! Oh, nice, man. So nice. It's not even worth it, man. Come on. I don't think this is enough. Battle Ram? What the fuck is that guy playing? Battle Ram, Mega Knight, what the fuck? Please, faster. Oh, he's gonna defend like he's a bitch, man. I wanna play more. I don't think this is like good for my sanity right now. Like already the words that I use, the vocabulary that I use like in this video is already like, what the fuck are you yapping, Susema? But this, I hate this deck. Most annoying deck. This is gonna be the title, guys. Smash like, smash subscribe, and see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys still have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.